Hello everyone. So in the previous video we saw what is version control system and why we need it. We also understood the benefits we get by utilizing the version control system, and also we understood the necessity of version control system. Today we will see one of the most popular version control system, that is Git. Git is a very popular distributed version control system created by Linux Torvald in 2005. Now we will quickly try to download this. To downloading the Git, we just need to type Git in Google. Go to the first link. Here it is. It will come downloads. If you are on Windows, click on this. If you are on Mac, click on this. And if you are on Linux system, you can click on this. So let me show you for Windows first. Here, if you are if you want to use the 64-bit Windows setup, so most probably your processor is 64-bit only. If you are using really old system, you can go for 32-bit also, but in majority of your case it will be a 64-bit. Okay, just click on this. It will start downloading here. You can also install it using this PowerShell command. It will be really easy. You just need to open your PowerShell and just put it there. Okay, and for Linux it is even easier. If you are in Debian based distribution system, you just need to put single command, that is sudo apt get install git. Here it is sudo is not provided. In case if your uh, OS ask for root access, provide sudo. Okay, if you are in other type of Linux distribution system, you can choose your command accordingly. If you are from Mac OS, you can use brew. Okay, you can use brew. And if you have remember, home brew installation is necessary for using this command. Okay, if you are using the Mac ports, you can simply go for sudo port install git. Okay, now my git is downloaded. Let me show you how to install for Windows. For Macs and Linux there is no installer. It will work directly, okay, without any problem. Now you just need to click on next and then just install. Okay, because I already have the git in my system, I won't install it again. You just need to install and everything will be done. I hope you understood how to install the git. From next lecture onward we will deal with the git repositories. So, and also we will understand why we are using Git, why not other version control systems. So there are many other version control systems also. Okay, why we are using the Git? What is the difference between the Git and other version control systems, and how Git is better and preferred by majority of developers and organization. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.